Hello everyone and welcome to Chat Time. I'm Mrs. Brown and today I'm here with my lovely neighbor Emily. Hi Emily.
Hi, Mrs. Brown. I'm so excited to be here.
I'm happy to have you here. Today we're going to talk about hobbies.
Oh, I love hobbies.
So Emily, tell me, what hobbies do you have?
Well, I love drawing and painting. I draw almost every day after school. And I also enjoy riding my bike in the park.
That sounds fun. Do you draw people, animals, or maybe landscapes?
Mostly animals and sometimes funny cartoons of my friends.
That's wonderful. And how about your bike rides? Do you go alone or with friends?
Usually with my best friend, Lily. We ride our bikes every Saturday morning.
Lovely. Now, would you like to know about my hobbies?
Of course.
Well, I enjoy gardening. I grow flowers, tomatoes, and even some herbs.
Wow. Do you have a big garden?
Not very big, but it's full of colors. And when I'm not gardening, I love reading mystery novels.
Mystery novels? Are they scary?
Not too scary, but they keep me guessing until the end.
I think I want to try gardening someday.
And I would love to see your paintings one day.
Deal.
And before we go, here are some key words and phrases from today's chat. 1. Hobby, something you enjoy doing in your free time. 2. Ride my bike, to travel on a bicycle. 3. After school, the time when school finishes. 4. Grow flowers, to plant and take care of flowers. 5. Mystery novel, a story with a puzzle or crime to solve. 6. Full of colors, having many different bright colors. 7. Keep me guessing, makes me wonder or try to find the answer until the end. All right, friends, that's all for today's chat time. Tell us, what are your hobbies?
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time and don't forget to subscribe so we can chat again.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.